Linux Mint users just got an important update and it's all about better hardware support. The Linux Mint team has officially released new Hardware Enablement or HWE ISO images for Linux Mint 22.3, and these updated images now come with the Linux Kernel 6.17. Now, if you're wondering what that means, here's the simple explanation. The original Linux Mint 22.3 release shipped with Linux Kernel 6.14. For most users, that works perfectly fine. But newer hardware, especially newer laptops, GPUs, and Wi-Fi chips, sometimes require a newer kernel to work properly. To solve that problem, the Mint developers have released HWE ISO images that include the newer kernel 6.17, which comes from the Ubuntu 24.4.4 LTS Noble Numbat Hardware Enablement Stack. So if you were having compatibility issues before, maybe your Wi-Fi, graphics, or touchpad wasn't behaving properly, installing the new Linux Mint 22.3 HWE ISO could fix those issues. But here's an important thing to know. These HWE ISOs are not a new version of Linux Mint. They're simply updated installation images with a newer kernel. According to Linux Mint project leader Clement Lefebvre, these builds are fully QA tested and considered stable. Another interesting change is how the Mint team plans to handle kernels in the future. They announced that whenever a newer kernel becomes available in the Ubuntu package base, they will release updated HWE ISOs for the latest Mint version. That means new installations can always benefit from better hardware compatibility without waiting for the next major Mint release. Speaking of future releases, the team also recently confirmed that Linux Mint is moving to a longer development cycle. The next major version, Linux Mint 23, is currently planned for Christmas 2026. The idea behind this change is simple. Instead of rushing new features, the developers want to spend more time fixing bugs, improving stability, and polishing the system. There's also a possibility that future releases may include an alpha testing phase, which would allow users to preview upcoming features earlier and help developers gather feedback. If you want to try the new HWE builds right now, you can download Linux Mint 22.3 with Cinnamon, XFCE, or Mate from the official website. And if you're already using Linux Mint 22.3, you don't actually need to reinstall. You can simply install kernel 6.17 directly from the repositories. So overall, this update is a small change, but it's a big win for hardware compatibility and long-term stability in Linux Mint.